All right, so long story short, okay, so we got the starter, the battery, we got power going down. So power goes into this vehicle electric system control module, but there's no power going out of it. And it goes down there, and then you see the control module up here. And if we follow the power wire, it powers the ECM, which when we hooked up the VCDS, we weren't getting any communication to the ECM, and that's why. So we put 12 volts directly to it, and it's the best information. See, none of this stuff was working, none of the dash was working, but we got our POTA's little 12 to the back. This is the vehicle electric system control module. This is what we were talking about. We got the power directly going to it, which is now powering the ECM, and everything running, and it actually runs. Before we got the VCDS, we got dealership programming capability here now, and before I wasn't even be able to connect to the ECM. So at least the ECM is working. We changed out this relay already, and that relay, and this was all situated up here. That's why it took so long. A bunch of crap had to come apart. Even to get to this point, it took several hours. So hopefully you guys understand that. But looks like we just got to replace that control module.